In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a page here in Kittl. Now, first things first, we can't actually add a page, but we can add a brand new artboard. Now, the artboard is the canvas which you design on. Again, they're not actually called pages here in Kittl, they're called artboards. Now, if I wanted to add a new one, because we only have one here, we simply want to click onto the name of the artboard. This one's called Today Awesome. Then if we look above this, in this little toolbar, it says just here, Add New Artboard. If we click on there, we now have a brand new artboard, which we can actually click on and move around to wherever we want it. Now, if we want to duplicate this artboard, which we have just here, we can just click onto the artboard again, click copy and then paste, and then it's going to copy and paste that artboard, as you can see. Now, if we zoom out, we now have 3 brand new pages, or again, otherwise known as artboards. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add a page here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.